All right, guys. So we got Snapped episode 4 coming at you today. We're going to be going over what we got. We're going to go over the Fluid Theory giveaway winner. We're going to go over the best trick from the trick competition winner. And then we're going to go over the content that we've gone over this week, the content that we posted this week. It's gone pretty crazy. So we're going to go over that and check that out. So stay tuned. All right. So we got Snapped episode 4. We got. So is this saying the giveaway winner? Or
oh my God!
Let's spark it up, baby.
All right, so we had a giveaway.
So this is the giveaway video. This is showing we had the giveaway video. Right here.
Oh my!
Find out who won. Full screen that. We're gonna spin it. Spin that wheel, baby. Who won? Let's see who won it. Oh, Bearded XJ with the win. Congratulations. We're going to be sending you hub lights. We're going to be sending you hub lights and some streak sparks with the refills. You got two of the lights. So Fluid Theory is going to be sending those over to y'all. So yeah, thanks for submitting. Thanks for doing that stuff on Instagram, the comments, the shares, the follows. Thank you all so much for that. Thanks to Fluid Theory for giving the giveaway, for sponsoring the giveaway. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Should we go over the winner of that too? Or no?
Yeah, like started.
All right. So how long do you say we had this going? Like a month? Yeah. So basically we just opened a trick challenge and then just didn't set an end date to it. We were just going to like see, and like no pressure on people to get it done. And yeah, people showed up. We got like, what was it? Like 40 trick submissions. And yeah, so we got it down to the top 6. We posted it and we did a poll to see who y'all thought was the winner. And the winner of that, 73% of the votes went to B. Hanks for the winner at Wheel Florida Rides on YouTube. So thanks for competing in it. And yeah.
Congrats to B. Hanks.
Congrats, yeah. Good trick, by the way. That was a really nice trick.
The question is, are you going to be able to try that trick?
If I find a spot that's like the trick, I'll give it a try. But
All right.
I don't know.
I know that we're going to ask you that.
Yeah. If I can find a spot that's like that, I'll do it. But I don't know if I could really find a spot like that. I don't have anywhere in mind. You have any place in mind?
I actually have an idea.
I do too, actually.
What is your idea?
Jerry Lee?
That's actually what I think about. It would be a bonk to curb.
Yeah, but from ledge to ledge.
Yeah.
Over
the gap.
a gap.
It's a gap. So you have to bonk it
Yeah.
to the curb, land on the curb.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking I'd set it up in the driveway somehow.
Bring that log over
Oh,
to
yeah.
where you jump off, bonk off onto the log.
Yeah. Well, we have it.
But you do have it at Jerry Lee's.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about that. Show chat.
All right, chat. We got it coming soon. We're going to be doing that trick. All right. So, what is next? What are we going over next? Submit y'all's boards.
Do this? I don't even know.
Yeah, we'll do it. Submit y'all's board picks, some more board picks, and tricks. We're doing tricks too.
I was thinking we could do this every month, once a month.
All right, so we're gonna set a new challenge: best board and best tricks.
2 different series.
Two different things. So if you can't do tricks, post your board. Or are we doing scooters and skateboards and stuff?
It could be anything.
Yeah. Any like skimboards, skateboards, scooters, you name it, like anything. Just make sure it looks awesome. Post it in there and
All right, go
have
to
a
the
chance to win.
actual hashtag at the top.
Where is it at?
All right, I changed the name. Trick comp submission, board pick submission.
All right, so we got the board pick submission too.
All right, now read what I wrote on there. I thought that was pretty cool.
Asking for your board pics or video. Same rules apply. No music, original clips can be trimmed. Add your handle if it's your board. If it's not, give credit to the owner. We'll react to it when we have enough videos. Yeah,
Pretty cool.
pretty cool.
What does
Like
the
it.
chat think?
What
does
about
Baylor
people
think? What's
like
Baylor
me
think?
that already posted them?
Well, yeah. So like, is there any that are any that we already reacted to? We do upgrades to our board all the time. So like, we change the rails
Yeah, if you already had your board in the trick thing,
and the board thing.
and you in the board thing, and you haven't really made any changes to it, then what are we saying?
You don't. I mean, you don't.
It's already.
You can.
I mean, you could
You
re-upload
can
it.
react it.
Yeah, re-upload it.
If you change something on it, you added some lights or whatever. Hey, he said he was working on lights
Yeah, if you changed on something, then re-upload it and we'll react to it.
and change the background, make it look good. Make the
Yeah. Make it look better. So, what we got? So,
Yes.
board picks. We got board picks and trick submissions. Make sure y'all get those in. We're probably going to end it around the month.
yeah.
Or-
We'll do it once a month.
Yeah, once a month we'll be doing it. So, special guest coming in right now. Little special guest. We got Bud here.
No.
The winner. The winner. So, if you don't know what we're talking about, we had a video that we posted saying if it got 1,000 likes, we would wheel him off the cart onto the ground from a 2-foot ledge.
Yeah, hit play.
It's our porch.
It's about
So that's how far it is.
1,000 likes.
Maybe a foot and a half. I don't know.
It's got volume. Hit play.
don't
Yeah, it's
do
got
it.
volume.
Okay, don't do it.
He's telling y'all not to do it, but y'all pulled through. We got it over 1,000. Yeah, so what's next?
Let's not do it.
What's next? Tell him what's next.
I don't know
All right,
what's
so I
next.
got the screenshots of the likes that are actually on the videos.
Yeah. All right.
Go to them.
So this is YouTube, 650. YouTube did not reach the goal,
No.
but Instagram, 1,264. So what does that mean?
Combined.
What
we
does
drop
that mean?
it 3 times.
Oh, we drop it 3 times because it made it 3 times. All right. So yeah, we're gonna have to bubble wrap him up, get him a little helmet action,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna send him off the drop.
Yeah.
You chickening out?
No, I'm not chickening out.
I like it.
I mean, I can't get out of that little cart in time for the top.
All right, so
Do or die.
yeah. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. We got marshmallow catching contest coming in.
Wait,
We're gonna be we're gonna be throwing marshmallows and see if you can catch them in your mouth.
Oh, I can do that.
Oh yeah. And we're gonna do some pint tricks coming soon. And
One Will's been doing a lot of pine content.
yeah, we're trying to stay with One Wheel here. One Wheel's posting everything on Pine X's and pints, so
Yeah.
we're trying to keep with it.
The whole deal is the pints are affordable, the most affordable board out
Yeah,
there.
they were the
option.
best board.
If you want to get into one wheeling, pints are the answer.
Yeah.
So we want to show what's possible to tricks that you can do on a pine.
You can
So-
do basically everything.
Yeah.
Anything you can do on a pint, you can do it on GT. And I've never done anything I can do on a GT that I can't do it on a pint. So, yeah. Except for maybe like,
There's power difference.
yeah, it's
Like crouch,
dead-
nudge, heel, or something like that.
very much power difference, but
Yeah.
it's
But for
not.
riding.
Yeah, it's not.
You can do some cool stuff.
Like,
So,
I'll be standing push back.
yo, so what do y'all want to see next coming to us? Let us know in comments and in chat. If y'all are in chat, let us know. Yeah, Discord, everything. Let us know what y'all want to see next. What you want to see us do. And we're headed to Florida March 29th. So we're going to be headed down to the beach and we're going to make some sick content down there. So yeah, stay tuned for everything coming at y'all. What's this right here? All right, we got how our videos have been doing in the
Okay,
past.
this is the contest.
This is
We won.
One Wheel contest. One Wheel posted a contest, the ride inside contest.
Yeah.
You had to make a video that was structured inside and was funny, cool, or whatever. And they gave $350 to the winner, $350 in One Wheel credit to the winner. And we won. We took that dub. So it was from the pickleball video. We did the ride inside. We took it inside. And yeah, we did it on one wheels. One wheel reached out and told us we won $350. So
And there's pints in that video
yeah,
too.
pints, GTs, everything's in it. All right. So this video is special because it did amazing on views. Baylor had a first board as a pint.
1,300 miles on it.
Sorry, velocity. 1,300 miles on the pint. What do I have? I can't even check it. It's over 1,000 though. I have over 1,000 on the pint. So this video went crazy.
I got the views down on it too.
Yeah, I saw the
But
video.
just talk about.
We were picking up tennis balls and marshmallows. Marshmallows for the catch that we're going to be doing soon. And then the tennis balls for the launching thing with the pints. We holding up the pints and shot it through the middle. The reason this video is special is because on YouTube, it got 27,000 views on YouTube, which is our best top performing video on YouTube. And then on Instagram, it got 174,000 views and took second place on Instagram.
Yeah.
It's our second most viewed video on Instagram, which is crazy. It's like our fourth video over 100,000.
Yeah.
So
2 weeks.
yeah, the past 2 weeks we've had 4 videos go over 100,000.
All right, go to these right here.
So we got Brand posted a trick after. Oh yeah. Dude, the classic. Oh, we went up a hill? That's pretty crazy.
He submitted this after we
Yeah.
reacted.
We're gonna do it again in a month. He didn't know the deadline. Yeah. So in a month, y'all get on it. In a month we're gonna be going over the next trick competition. We got one set. Y'all can start posting y'all stuff in it now. And we also have board pick submissions too. So go post y'all stuff in there and yeah, win this one too. Why not win it too? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We went over the winner for the giveaway trick competition. We went over Jude hit 1,000 likes on that video, so we got to pull him off of there. And yeah, we went over our content and how it's been doing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.